Magnetic USB cable. The plug is separated from the cable. Plug can stay on the phone, only 1 second connected to charge. Make you experience the best way to charge your phone. Built-in blue LED indicator illuminates when the cable is active. Metal port plus nylon braid wire makes product durable. The magnet connector could be a dust-proof plug and prolong the life of your device. In addition, it can reduce the damage of your USB port by preventing frequent plugging and pulling. Drilling in the wall? Say goodbye to dust. Battery-powered electric dust extractor. It is enough to turn it on, put it on the wall or ceiling, and you can drill without fear of getting the room dusty. The device is universal and can be used with any drill. Wireless Bluetooth eye mask. For lunch break to relieve fatigue and sleep aid. Artifact Intelligent Sleep Music Eye Mask. Binaural stereo design. Comfortable cotton fabric with comfortable and soft breathability. For people with symptoms of sleep difficulties, they can let them slowly go to sleep while enjoying music, and can also reduce the outside world. The noise disturbance provides a quiet sleeping environment. Whether it is work break or sleep at night, Bluetooth Sleep Eye Mask can help improve sleep quality, a magical sleep aid artifact. 12-inch drawing pen tablet with 13 multimedia keys and 8 customizable shortcut keys, support Android, Windows and Mac OS. Tablet comes with 8192 levels battery-free pen, which provide you with a smoothly drawing experience. The tablet supports 60 degrees tilt feature, which ensure the lines more accurate and natural. There are 8 shortcut keys let you set the function you want according to your needs. Function key can be programmed for canvas zooming, brush adjusting and page scrolling. The touch ring supports the radial function in Windows 10 and above version. Manual can opener is a good helper in your own kitchen room, and also a nice gift to your parents, sisters, friends. Small and convenient. Stainless steel, anti-oxidation, wear resistant, difficult to deform. Adjustable diameter suitable for almost all jars. The suitable clamping can be adjusted according to the size of the bottle cap. A wide range of applications, large and small bottle caps can be opened. Chasing Dory is a small 5-thruster underwater drone used for real-time observation, exploration, photography, and video capture. Whether for adults or children, Dory is undoubtedly one of the coolest gift. With Dory's dual play mode, 2 users can operate one Dory. You can have one person control the underwater drone's movements while the other operates the camera. Start your underwater exploration adventure with your kid now. Hold and charge up to 6 devices simultaneously. It works smoothly with any USB-powered device. With the world's fastest charging technology, Quick Charge 3, you can charge your devices up to 80% faster. The built-in intelligent chip allows each port intelligently identifies your device and seeks a maximized charge speed. Allows 100 to 240 voltage input for use across the world. 100% safety protected. Organize all of your devices while charging, from smartphones to tablets. X-Tool AnyScan Full System OBD2 Diagnosis. Ability to quickly read and clear codes in all modules for European, Asian, and domestic vehicles. One-button auto scan reads codes in all modules and displays them on the phone. Quick Erase feature allows all codes to be cleared with the push of a button. One tool to do it all. Reads and clears trouble codes on engine, transmission, airbag, and ABS failures. 2-in-1 power bank, combining charger and power bank into one charger block. One charging device for all your travels. 45 watts high power, it can also quickly charge notebook computers, and you can easily pack it in anytime you go out. Cell phone and computer can be charged at the same time. Mini electric screwdriver. A completely new working experience, just like holding a pen when you're using it. Slim aluminum alloy housing with pen-shaped design, built-in batteries can work 8 hours continuously. A great helper for electronic repairing projects. Auto self-locking ratchet wheel orientation with dual torque working mode. Measuring spoon. Electronic kitchen food measuring scale with high precision. Accurate scale can make your meal more delicious. Practical tools to measure the weight of flour, milks powder, butters, cream, edible oil, weighs both solid and liquid ingredients. Automatic sonic electric toothbrush. Unique U-shaped brush head, in line with the shape of the teeth bite. High-frequency sound wave vibration can quickly and cleanly clean the surface and inside of the tooth at the same time. Eliminate 99.99% of bacteria inside the oral cavity and provide dental health protection. The perfect combination of brushing and whitening and forth, giving the tooth a 360-degree cleaning effect. This air paint pen is suitable for coloring many kinds of things, such as nails, skins, cakes and so on. Portable and lightweight, the air paint penlet you can use it at almost anywhere and anytime. This compact design digital soldering iron is ideal for professional use. Soldering can be performed and adjusted from the control knob from 180 to 450 degrees. Interchangeable iron-plated tips are available to make the soldering station excellent for electronic and electric use.